Welcome to Morrison Homes and welcome to your new home. I'm JD, the warranty tech. I'd like to take you through and show you how to maintain your home. You have a sink that's either really slow, it's getting clogged, or it's completely backed up. Most likely, it's the debris getting caught in the basket, which is part of your drain. To fix this, you simply take a coin or a loonie, place it gently in the slots shown here, loosen it off as much as you can. Eventually, you'll feel it getting loose. Now, you simply spin it with your fingers, and part of the basket comes right out. This way we have access to the interior, and you can remove the debris that's in there, or clean what's on the bottom side of the basket. Now, we basically put it back in, screw it on until it makes contact with the sink. Then take your coin and tighten it back into place. This might take some pressure and a few good firm turns. Now, we will turn the water on, and then we're going to look under the sink and ensure that it's not leaking from anywhere. Now, your sink is working again.